warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use MOVAVI Video Editor Plus 2020 for edit your video. First, open the application. I have opened my project and now I will tell you about how to use this application. For the first, I will show you how to insert videos into this application. Click the plus icon here and select the video you want to edit. This is my original video that I will edit, and click the video and select open. Then the video will appear here. Okay, after the video enters the application, then I will choose a background to make an intro or opening video. And how to add a background into the project? Just click background here, choose the background you want to use. How to add background into the project is by dragging it down where you want to place here. After that, select the tag icon here to enter the video title. There are many templates that can be used, like video, basic, artistic, opening, and speech bubble. Select one and drag it over the background on the project sheet. For example, I use here and drag into here, and then enter the title of your video by double click here. You can enter your video title. Next, we can also insert an explanatory paragraph at the beginning of the video by choosing the appropriate text. We can make it by choosing the appropriate text template to write a paragraph. I use this and drag into here, and we can see this. You just type your paragraph like that. Okay. To include sound or music, I will enter it later after the video is finished. And after entering the paragraph, if the paragraph is finished, drag the video to be edited to the right side of the background here. Drag this video into here, and next I will show you how to cut the video. If you want to cut video, just place the marker exactly where you want to cut the video, for example here, and click the scissors icon here. Now the video is cutting. If we are going to delete the video that was cut earlier, click the trash icon here. If we want to delete this video, just click the trash icon here. After that, there are many speech bubbles, and I will show you how to add speech bubble. First, if the video is playing,
and don't forget
just pause and pause the video at the point where the speech bubble will be inserted. For example, I will put a speech bubble here, so I will place the marker here and click the text speech bubble and select the desired speech bubble as you want and drag to the point where you want to insert speech bubble, for example here. Then set how long the speech bubble will appear by dragging. Okay. Next, insert text into the speech bubble with clicking here, clicking on the text icon, and use basic text to make it easier. For example, I use simple text. Just write down your text here. Adjust the text size by setting it on these 3 lines. Choose text, and this is font size. You can adjust as you want. After the video finishes, it is time for us to adjust the sound. If the sound in the video is too low, you can increase the sound by clicking the sound on the project sheet. For example, it's then clicking 3 line here. You can adjust the volume here. The original sound is just 100%, and you can increase until 400%. You can also cut the sound, and the method is same as cutting a video. Just place the marker here in the sound and click the scissors icon. After the original video and original sound are ready, you can also add music so that the video viewers don't get bored with the material you explain. You can choose the music by click add music, and there are many music you can choose. After finding a suitable one, drag the music below the original sound. Just drag below the original sound. This is the music I have entered in my project, so that the original sound and sound of the music do not interfere with each other. To lower the sound of the music by drawing a line here. Original music is have 100% volume, but you can lower until 6 or 12. Okay, after that, you can also add sound effect like people typing or people laughing, people typing, for example, like that. You can put sound. There are many sounds you can use. If you have find the suitable sound, just drag it into below of your background or below of your video. And next, after all is done, don't forget to add a closing text like a thank you or other text here. In the end of your video, don't forget to add text for thank you. You can choose the template by click the tag icon. Choose the one I use it and drag it in the right side of your video and double click here to write the text you want. When everything is ready, apply it carefully from the beginning to the end of the video to make sure nothing is forgotten. Okay, after it is enough, save the video to the device by click for save it into the device by click export. Write the text here. For example, tutorial, and save to on what folder. You can browse here. Choose the quality of your video, good, high and highest, but I prefer good because the size of the file is too big. And if it's ready, just click start. Wait until it export completely. This is the percentage, 1% until 100%, and you can see your video on the folder you have choose. Okay, that's all about a little tutorial. Use MOVAVI Video Editor 2020. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.